Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. The icy sensory sensation is known to be extremely pleasant in kissing and oral sex, and that's what Orgie Bucal Spray is all about. It is formulated with eucalyptus and menthol, so the warmth of the breath combined with the icy sensory effect delivered by WOW takes kissing to higher levels and intensify the pleasures of oral sex. You can experience this amazing orgy product in two versions: the classic WOW menthol and eucalyptus and WOW strawberry ice, which was created by combining menthol and eucalyptus with a sinfully delicious strawberry flavor. Apply WOW by spraying 1 or 2 times into your mouth just before kissing and/or oral sex, and reapply as you wish. With WOW, you can expect a sweet, icy blast of new sensations that can be upgraded if combined with Orgie Electric Fellatio Lip Gloss. Watch our video about Electric Fellatio Lip Gloss to get the idea about this combination. Mouth-watering, arousing experience. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.